Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Mimoke Adjustable Bicycle Stand with rubber hooks. It's a rubber and scratch resistant stand for our bicycle, pedelec, or other bicycle tool device for maintenance and for parking. The load capacity is up to 35 kilograms, so you can use it for pedelecs too. It's available on the market in a black finish and a white finish. And it's highly durable constructions because it's made of a rubber styrene material. This bicycle stand here offers a secure hold for up to 35 kilograms. This is ideal for the most bicycle types out there. And we have a rubber-coated hooks for protection. There are two of them. The hooks are equipped with rubber-coated. The stand guarantees a stable and scratch-free grip to protect our bike during the storage or doing repair or maintenance. And adjustable hook position. Really cool. The adjustable storage to suit different bike sizes with these adjustable hooks that effortlessly support a variety of bikes. And sturdy and space-saving build. With a wide 4-leg base and a double screw attachment, this stand stays stable while storing conveniently and compactly in once. And you can see it's an easy assembly. All necessary components for a hassle-free assembly are included, so our bike stand is ready to use in a blink. In only, I think, 5 minutes or something else. Mimoke is committed to develop outstanding storage solutions for repair accessories for cyclists. They choose the highest quality materials and make each product a reliable partner through exercise and craftsmanship. You see, it works really cool to store your bicycle, your pedelec, and so on, with a stable construction and with a big bunch of possibilities and without scratches because it is sealed. The hooks are sealed with a rubber coating, and this makes it so reliable to get this bicycle into position for storage or for small maintenance work or small repairs, because the back wheel is lifted from the bottom. It's lifted up a little bit, so you can use to simulate the bicycle to move, and then of course you can easily perform a small repair with this Mimoke Adjustable Bicycle Stand with rubber hooks. If you have a big bicycle there, you can adjust the hooks up and down. For bigger ones, up. For smaller ones, they go into it in the center position a little bit more. And after this, you can make a small kid's bicycle to lift up a little bit, or a medium size or a big size bicycle. So the Mimoke Adjustable Bicycle Stand with rubber hooks make a good job for your storage or maintenance work. It's a rubber and scratch resistant device to stay there where you have to work, in a garage or in the shop, or where you have to repair your bicycle easily. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.